Hi guys, today we are going to talk about something really dangerous. It's something really mysterious and it is snakes. They sting you really badly. So now today we are going to talk about snakes. So now the longest snake is called a python. It's 8 meters long. Lots of them live in Australia. All of the snakes live in Australia. And even though snakes can live anywhere, they can even live over here. So be alert. Well, only Australia has the most snakes in the world. So this is a python. It's 8 meters. So now I'm going to talk about a 5 meters long snake, and it's called the cobra. The cobra is 5 meters long. Well, it will still sting you. Even though it's 5 meters long, it will not always sting you. Son. It will sting you always. So now, even some of them can be like ordinary snakes. I kept them because some snakes are shorter than a pencil. It's true. So these snakes can either though will still have venom. Even though they're smaller than a pencil, they'll still give venom. And lots of snakes live in Australia. That I told you, right? Well, now I'm going to ask, do snakes like toys? Nah, they don't like toys. They like to tangle their body with sticks, like some stuff like that. Like this. Now, let's suppose I have a snake. Let's choose a cobra. Now my cobra is going to do this. And do you know something called constriction? Constriction is when something grabs you really hard. Like you might even pass out. Like a snake, let's suppose. The cobra might constrict, do a lot of constriction, and this is what it likes. It likes to tangle around stuff like this. And they also like to shed their skin. They use almost like anything. They even use like benches, for example, to shed their skin. Then they grow more new skin. And when they sleep, they have their eyes open. Well, only their brain sleeps. Like let's suppose deep thinking. Their brain will only sleep. Well, their eyes will be open like this. And they'll be sleeping still, even though their eyes are open, just like this. See, a snake can do lots of stuff like that. So this is a snake's life. And snakes like to eat lizards, even small animals. Lizards, mice, if they don't find, they can eat humans and eggs because snakes are dangerous. Bye. We were talking about snakes.